me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. So you know that's why I'm attached. I feel like Bob said, really I can't pass it. Doing everything in the no fast. I don't care if you knew me in the past tense. I ain't got no style, ain't no last dance.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and join the family. From my previous vlog, I mentioned that I went to the salon, maintenance day. So I got my nails done. They're so cute. And I also got locks because I'm tired of thinking about Nini and Kushuka, so I'm hoping I can stay with them for like 9 months, but we'll see. I might. So yeah, it's my first time getting the locks, and I didn't want to tie them because it's quite a bit painful, but I want them to relax, and then I'll be able to style it as I please, just as I go. So welcome back to another channel. As you saw, I just had my morning shower, and yeah, I like showering in the morning even when I'm staying at home, because then I don't like, it's refreshing. A start of the day, like a fresh start of the day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, and don't forget to share, subscribe, comment. I would love your feedback. I would love to hear from you. So yeah, thank you for being here. Enjoy this one.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life man. But thank God for the journey, the journey to us to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? One time, sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it warmed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit, say I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your falling and live, man. Me up with that God for the journey to just to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends with the club? Me road one time, sit down in a class and we pour that. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. Just show what blessings upon me, and send me to tell you my story. Just show what blessings upon me, and that's why I'm gonna give him the top. Read for me the light. You know some of us are ignited, but the music me excited. Coming like a boss. Blessings all from my life man. But thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends but they club to be load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Toast. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from my life man. But thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they club to be load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that. Only see the road and me go on with the road.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love. See, I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. In my world.
It's the end of the day. Masking. Let me show you something. So this is what I'm using. I just cut it off and just see how much product. Please cut. Economy mekata, lazima tuzikate.
What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up. You're in my world, only you. Make me do for love what I would.
Yeah, now where always you must think on me. Gosh, ile ya 200 by the imekuwa mingi vizuri. My food. Influence on whatever. It may happen. So yeah, hi guys. It's lunchtime. I'm at work. It's really good. I always like this fried chicken. Chicken fried rice. That's what inaitwa. And also like the cashew nuts one. It's really good.
Where did you buy it from?
I bought it from Naivas. Judy has said I bought it from Naivas. This is Judy. Hope not gonna either way. Home time. Okay, this looks better. No time. Tuende nyumbani tukaone watoto. Unataka kutokea? Consent is key. Back at work. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, and I hope you're also having a good day. So let's see what today will have for me, for us to see. So hi guys, I am currently at work, but I'm working outside the office today. Briefly, I have a shoot at one of our clients. I really like this. Someone gifted me this. For those who don't know, I work in marketing, and so I have various campaigns that are currently ongoing, and so I have to oversee everything for 2 clients. And they are big campaigns for this month of November. So usually this time it's usually you have to go hard. Like it has to make sense for the client. So that's what I'm trying to make sure everything is in place, everything is where it's supposed to be, all content is out. So yeah. Really, it's exciting and too much work at the same time. So like when you see the results, that's when you're like, I did that. That's me. Yeah. Hope you're enjoying this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And for those who have subscribed, thank you. Yeah, enjoy the rest of it. I need to start working on this December calendar and hopefully even January, because I have to send it in by, let's say, 25th of this month so that it can be approved, and then I send it to the creative department for them to start working on the KVs. And I have to do this for 2 clients again, so it is a lot of work. Maybe one day I'll take you guys through a day in my life so that you can see what I work on, what I do and such. So maybe, yeah, we will see. So yeah, I want to work on that December calendar, end of January, because unajua tu venye December itakuwa, it will be hectic. No one will have time to think about work, so the best time is now. Yeah. So hi guys, I'm here to sign out this video. Thank you so much to everyone who's watched it, and yeah, I hope you're all well. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend, and see you on the next one.